Right, so for the actual raking out, we're going to use a variety of different tools. You can see we've already raked this section out. Combination of angle grinders, this is a 115. We've also got a masonry or a mortar raking drill bit, which is 115. You may have not seen these before, so we've got a mortar raking tool, not sponsored by anyone, so you can see that it didn't last very long on this particular mortar, which is ash in areas, so it made light work of that, so that wasn't that great for us. Horizontal, these are much quicker. For the vertical sections, we don't want to be chopping the bricks, so we've got to be careful, so we can use a combination of these. And also we've got this plug-in chisel here as well. You can see the shape of that, so this means that in those areas where we can't get the machinery, we can tap the rest of it out. Depth, usually recommended 20 to 25 mil, but it depends on the width as well of your actual joint itself, but we're going to take around about 25 mil. We're pointing with lime mortar because it's an old Victorian property. So we're just going to attach the mortar raking disc. That's what it's called, isn't it? So fix that in position, as you can see. Make sure it stays in the groove. Then going to tighten that up. And with this one, we actually use a little bit different than that locking nut on the Bosch version. And pretty much ready to go. I'll just show you how we attach this mortar raking tool. We'll take the clip nut off. I'm only using the big one because I don't want to be switching between the two. What we will do is, it's up to you whether you keep this on or not. I think I'll take it off. So I'm just going to take the protector off, fit on. Make sure you can get this in. So it just screws on and tighten it. So yours might be a bit different, but so you might have noticed that I changed this midway through. The smaller masts were okay, but I've got around about 100 square meters of this to do, so I needed something a little bit better. So when we've raked this out, you can see that the horizontal, there's always this concave bit, so we can either use this raking tool, bring it down, or I'll show you how we do it with the plug-in chisel. So quick update on the mortar raking tool. It didn't work very well for me. Blunted really easy, even after just 3 of the verticals, which is poor really. So I ended up raking out horizontals with the disc and also verticals as well, which means now we have to use the plug-in chisel to finish the job. And as we do each section, we can just check it's the right depth that we're looking for here and just move it across. Just check that it's 20-25 mil, whatever you've chosen. You can see here, this is the first bit raked out, all raked out to 20-25 mil, ready for pointing.